Want to know how to easily remove your fireplace faceplate? In today's video, we'll guide you through this simple process step by step so you can upgrade or maintain your fireplace in no time. The fireplace faceplate is both a decorative and functional element, covering the fireplace opening and enhancing its efficiency. It helps direct heat into the room and protects your space from sparks and embers. Removing the faceplate is often necessary for renovation, cleaning, or maintenance. It also makes it easier to access internal components or install a new energy-efficient insert. Before starting, gather these tools: a screwdriver or drill, pry bar, utility knife, gloves, and safety glasses. Make sure the fireplace is off and cooled down. First, clear the area around your fireplace for a safe working environment. Unscrew the faceplate with a screwdriver, use a pry bar if needed, and gently pull it away from the wall. Always wear your gloves and goggles for protection. Here's a pro tip: inspect for any sealant around the edges and cut through it with a utility knife to avoid damaging the surrounding area. Move slowly and carefully to prevent harm. And that's how to easily remove your fireplace faceplate. Whether you're renovating, cleaning, or doing maintenance, following these simple steps will help you get the job done safely and efficiently. Thanks for watching.